The JF-17 Thunder is a multi-role fighter aircraft developed jointly by Pakistan and China. It's designed for air-to-air and air-to-ground combat and has been in service since 2007. Pakistan Air Force JF-17 Thunder fighter jets displayed stunning aerobatic performances in Saudi sky during the World Defense Show in the capital Riyadh, with defense delegation and air forces of other countries. Pakistan jets are backed by state-of-the-art avionics suite, enhanced weaponry, and advanced electronic warfare systems. As JF-17 Block 3 boasts superior maneuverability, extended range, and enhanced combat capabilities.